Supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is in a class of its own. This idiom, the origin's really not known to this, but they suspect it was used to describe things that are rare, things that are unique and special and of good value to the extent that they really can't be compared to anything else in the category that they're in because they stand so far above the rest of everything else that's in their category. So today, I think it means that something is exceptional and unique. So what I'm thinking about as I think about supersizing and growing my businesses with respect to this particular idiom or expression is, how can I be best in class, best in the category that I choose to do business in? We think of things that are, really unique and special and one of a kind or rare works of art, rare finds, rare archaeological dig things. Aliens would probably be considered in a class of their own, right? In a class of its own. So we think of different cars, manufacturers and people are always trying to design anything that is far superior to something that already exists in a category, or creating whole new categories to compete in. So how are you doing this for your business? What is it about your business that is unique and rare and exceptional that causes people to come to you to do business instead of to other people in a similar situation or a similar category? If you're an accountant, you have to figure out what makes you special. What is it that you do that other accountants don't do that makes you the reason people will come and buy and do business with you for your products or services? We need to do this. And some people call it a unique selling proposition. A lot of times it's marketing and looking at what we're already doing and highlighting those things that we believe are unique to our processes and systems that other people in our category aren't doing. But what's your expertise? What do you want to be known for? Or what are you known for? Share that in the comments below so we can learn from one another. And love to know your experience with this particular idiom in a class of your own, in a class of its own. I don't know that I've ever been in a class of my own. I guess we're all unique and special and different, but how special and different is up to us, up to you. All right, have an awesome day. I'll, of course, see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business today? Bye.